Hello, Salam. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Shahena, a freelancer from the UK who started out in bridal hair, makeup, and henna, and slowly realised that burnout isn't a business strategy. If you're a freelancer, whether you're in beauty, design, writing, admin, photography, or coaching, today's video is your reminder that there are other ways to earn that don't involve constantly trading hours for pounds. Because let's face it, sometimes we want to make money while we're in bed with a face mask on and a Turkish drama playing in the background, okay? So if you've ever thought, what if clients dry up next month? How can I earn even when I'm not actively working? Is there a way to grow my income that doesn't rely on me physically showing up? Then buckle up, because I'm sharing 5 digital product income streams every freelancer should know. You do have knowledge someone out there needs, so why not turn it into an ebook? If you're a makeup artist, you can create the ultimate bridal skin prep guide, for example. A photographer, how to pose clients like a pro, a virtual assistant, 5 systems every business needs. Even if you just survived your first year freelancing, write about that, design it in Canva, export as a PDF, and sell on your website, Gumroad or Etsy. If you would like me to make a video on how to create one, just comment ebook and I'll get to it. Best part is you create it once and it can sell again and again, even while you're asleep or in your kitchen trying not to burn the roti. These can be sold as small to medium ticket items which won't break the bank and can be very lucrative. Now let's talk online courses, the big sister of ebooks. People want to learn real skills from real people, not just faceless corporations. So whether you've been freelancing for 6 months or 6 years, you've got something worth teaching. Think about how to start a freelance beauty business. Instagram for service-based freelancers. How I grew my side hustle to £2,000 per month. Or a full masterclass on your specific niche. You can film it on your phone, no need for fancy lighting. Upload to platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or even a private YouTube playlist with payment access. You can bundle your course with an ebook or checklist to add more value. And if you're camera shy, don't worry, voiceover slides are a vibe. These can be priced at medium to higher ticket prices so you can make even more whilst you sleep. All right, next up, social media monetization, aka making your phone work for you for once. There are now multiple ways to earn across platforms: Instagram, subscriptions, affiliate links, brand partnerships, YouTube, AdSense, sponsorships, digital product promotion, TikTok, Creator Fund, brand deals, live gifts, Pinterest. Yes, even Pinterest. You can drive traffic to your paid content and affiliate links. If you're already creating content, don't just post and hope. Post with purpose. The best part is, these income streams can all be done if you have an audience that know, like, and trust you. And when that happens, the sales start rolling in. You don't need to go viral, you just need to attract the right audience. And yes, even if your cousin Farah is the only one liking your reels now, it still counts. Keep going. Let's switch it up. Print on demand. This one's for the creative girlies and gents, or even those who just love an aesthetic quote. Design merch like motivational mugs for freelancers, tote bags with Desi Boss Babe slogans, printable wall art, niche-specific designs like henna artist mode, activated shirts, or planners, journals, and stickers. Use platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Printful, plus Etsy. You upload the design, they print, pack, and ship. You collect the coin. No inventory, no stress, no printer jam drama. And yes, it works globally, so your audience isn't just in the UK, you're international now. Last but never least, affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend a product, someone buys it through your special link and you earn commission. No need to create anything yourself. Perfect for tools you already use and love. Amazon Associates for kit tools products. Canva, affiliate. SiteGround, or Wix if you set up websites. Digital product affiliate programs. Sell someone else's ebook or course. You use a ring light. Share the link. You have a favorite planner. Share the link. You drink chai from a mug that says CEO Energy. You get the point. The key is to only recommend what you genuinely love, otherwise you'll lose trust. And trust is your freelance currency. So if you're a freelancer and you want income that works with you, not just when you're physically working, start with one. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to do everything in a week. Test, tweak, grow. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more no-fluff freelancer advice. Until next time, keep showing up, keep building, and keep making that money work for you, not the other way around. Salam.